Just don't mess with it.
No, I want to scare it away so we can keep walking.
It might attack you. No, use a thicker stick, not a fucking twig.
Damn! Alright, so I had a whole trip for 3 days planned out for our 3-year anniversary, 1-year anniversary from being married. And we're here spending it on the side of the road because our car broke down over there. It started smoking from the engine and it just won't turn on. That's how our anniversary is going. It's not going real well. So now we're gonna proceed and take all our camera gear and just everything we brought for the trip and set it down on the side so that the tow truck can take the car. And once my car gets over here, we can use that one and take all our shit.
So this is our setup, guys.
While we wait.
While we wait.
Good thing we brought water for the doggies and their food. Actually, we brought this whole thing because we were gonna be out for 3 days, so.
Been here for 5 hours now. Finally, the tow truck is here.
A few moments later.
Want to rescue?
Yeah, you came to the rescue. They've been so good. They've been so good.
So we're in his car now. We got a car. His car.
My mom had to come drop this off along with her dad.
My dad.
Because
I got the babies.
Because her truck is in her dad's insurance, so he had to come over here. And then my mom, well, she had my car keys. so
they're going to the dealership. They said, go off, go to your anniversary. They'll deal with it. So thanks, parents.
Yeah. I don't know what we would have done without you. If you're watching this video, Randy and Patty, thank you so much.
Good morning, everyone. We are about to go get some breakfast, and we are going to find a lake or river
trail,
and we are going to take the dogs and have some fun. We brought our camera so we can take you guys with us. Boom, boom.
Alrighty guys, we made it to our first trail location. Let's go see and check it out. Hold them. What is this snake right here? Guys, if you know what this type of snake...
It's a black mamba.
No way.
Just don't mess with it.
No, I want to scare it away so we can keep walking.
It might attack you. No, use a thicker stick, not a fucking twig.
Go.
Who knew hiking can be so dangerous? We found the water.
I was tempted by your smile. I was tempted, and for a little
She's such a water dog.
I was certain
Oh, it feels so good.
that I will be the one to change you, and you will be mine. You will
got done swimming. The dogs are exhausted. So are we. So we're gonna go head off the trail, and we are going to go to like an HEB or something, pick up some stuff to grill. We're gonna grill tonight. Nah, you're gonna fall.
No,
Yeah.
I'm recording because this is beautiful. This view though.
Yeah. Run. You crazy. It's crazy. So we're back at the trail place, the hiking trail river place, because we got to our Airbnb, realized that Lewis did not have his wallet. It was not anywhere in the car. And we're going down the first trail because we know we had it in the car. We had it in the car right before we got here because we had to pull out $5 and give it to the lady to be on this trail and everything. And the wallet is not in here. So yesterday Lewis lost his wallet and we never found it. Today was our last day here and we are heading out. I don't know if we're going to another park first for one last hike or not.
Hey, how's it going? Hey, quick question. I lost my wallet yesterday here, one of the trails. Have you got anything for lost and found? No? Alright. Well, we want 2 entries for the park. This cave, we're about to check it out.
This was the cave we wanted to go in
yesterday. But we did not have a flashlight, so today we came in prepared.
Oh my.
Look at this place.
Backpack.
Oh, it ends right there.
What, you want to chill right here?
Yeah, it feels cool in here. Imagine how cold it is. That's how dark it is, guys.
I can't even see over there. This is cool.
And they love it here.
Show you a little place we found. Down here and down here. Come on, my.
Are you ready, dear? Oh, we must be sure. There's no turning back once we're out the door. Leave your message here on the telephone, 'cause we've no idea when we're coming home.